Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you'll learn useful English expressions for riding the bus, taking the subway, asking for directions, and using public transportation in everyday life. From asking about bus stops and subway lines to getting help during your trip, these are practical English sentences people use in real daily situations. Each sentence is repeated slowly and clearly, so you can listen carefully, improve your pronunciation, and practice speaking English with more confidence. These expressions are especially helpful for everyday conversation, listening practice, and real-life English communication. All right, let's get started. Situation 1. Asking if the bus goes downtown.
Excuse me, does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does. It stops near the city hall.
That's great! I need to get to the main library.
Then this is the right bus for you.
Wonderful! How many stops is it from here?
It's about 10 stops away.
Thank you. I'm still learning the bus routes.
No problem. I can let you know when to get off.
I really appreciate your help today.
You're very welcome. Please have a safe trip.
Situation 2. Asking about the subway line.
Excuse me, which line goes to Central Station?
You'll need to take the blue line.
Do I transfer anywhere along the way?
Yes, you'll transfer at Park Street Station.
I see. Is it difficult to find the transfer?
Not at all. Just follow the blue signs overhead.
Thank you. I sometimes get confused in big stations.
That happens to many people, so don't worry.
I'm glad I asked someone for help.
Of course. Have a pleasant ride today.
Situation 3. Asking someone about an empty seat.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's available. Please go ahead and sit down.
Thank you very much. My legs are a little tired today.
I completely understand. It's been a long day for me too.
The bus seems much busier than usual today.
Yes. I think everyone is heading home from work now.
I usually avoid traveling during rush hour.
Honestly, I try to avoid it too whenever possible.
Well, I'm happy I found a seat at least.
Me too. Standing on crowded buses is exhausting.
Situation 4. Missing the bus stop.
Oh no, I think I missed my stop.
Which stop were you trying to get to?
I was supposed to get off near the supermarket.
I think that stop was 2 blocks back.
I was distracted while checking my phone.
Don't worry. It happens to everyone sometimes.
Should I get off at the next stop instead?
Yes, that would probably be the easiest option.
Thank you for helping me figure this out.
No problem at all. I'm glad I could help.
Situation 5. Asking about the transportation card.
Excuse me, where can I recharge my card?
You can use the machine right behind us, ma'am.
I'm not very good with these machines.
That's okay. I can show you how it works.
Thank you. I only need to add $20 today.
No problem. Just tap your card right here first.
Oh, I see. This is easier than I expected.
Most people get used to it very quickly.
Thanks again for being so patient with me.
You're very welcome. Have a nice day.
Situation 6. Asking someone for directions on the subway. Excuse me, am I going the right way to Riverside Station?
Let me see your map for a second.
Here you go. I'm a little confused right now.
Actually, you're going in the opposite direction.
Oh dear, I knew something didn't feel right.
Don't worry. You can switch trains at the next station.
Thank goodness I asked before going too far.
Yes, otherwise you would have ended up far downtown.
Thank you for saving me from getting completely lost.
It's no problem at all. I'm happy to help.
Situation 7. Talking during a rainy bus commute.
Oh dear, the traffic is barely moving right now.
Yeah, the rain is causing huge delays everywhere.
I've never seen the roads this crowded before.
It gets really bad whenever there's a heavy storm.
I really need to use the restroom soon.
Oh no, I hope the bus starts moving faster soon. I'm trying to stay calm, but this delay is making me nervous. We've only moved 1 block in the last 10 minutes. I'm honestly starting to regret drinking that large coffee earlier. Hopefully we'll get to the next station very soon.
Situation 8. Asking the driver to lower the ramp.
Excuse me, could you lower the ramp, please?
Of course. Please give me just one moment.
Thank you. My knees have been hurting lately.
I understand. Please take your time getting on.
I appreciate your kindness very much.
No problem at all. Your safety comes first.
Some days it's harder for me to climb the steps.
That's exactly why the ramp is here to help.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you again for being so considerate.
You're very welcome. Please have a comfortable ride.
Situation 9. Asking the bus driver about the bus stop.
Excuse me, does this bus stop near the Central Market?
Yes, it does. You'll need to get off in about 15 minutes.
Thank you. I'm afraid of missing my stop sometimes.
Don't worry. I can let you know when we get there.
I really appreciate that. This area is still unfamiliar to me.
That's completely understandable. A lot of routes can be confusing.
Should I press the stop button before we arrive?
Yes, just press it after we pass the bank on Main Street.
All right, I'll pay close attention. Thank you again for your help.
You're very welcome. I'll make sure you get off at the right stop.
Situation 10. Thanking someone for offering a seat.
Ma'am, would you like to sit here instead?
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. You looked a little tired standing there.
My legs get tired more easily these days.
I completely understand. Please make yourself comfortable. Thank you. I really appreciate your thoughtfulness.
No problem at all. I'm getting off soon anyway. That's still very considerate of you.
I'm happy I could help someone today.
Definitely. You truly made this exhausting ride much better.